thanks for tuning in. I'm doing a live audio dub over this video and I've never done that before. Or done this before rather. So I'm just about to light the fire. I'm just trying to light a clean fire. There's just a small piece of newspaper I put in there. And I'm building what I call the Jenga fire, which is my favorite type of fire to build. So that's a piece of wood, left, right, front, back, left, right, front, back, with a piece of paper in the middle. Now you'll see that the paper's smouldering. It's because there was charcoal and ash in the bottom of here that was still warm from 8 to 10 hours previously. I didn't know that that was the case. So that's it. Light the paper. Try and use as little paper as possible because it creates a lot of ash. And that kindling's pretty dry. I really like to have dry wood. The drier it is, the better it is. I really don't like burning wet wood. Wet wood makes smoke. Don't want to make smoke. The whole point of this is just trying to have a clean fire with no smoke coming out of the chimney. So that's just small kindling, nothing bigger than about 25mm. And now I just sometimes push that over once it's lit and then throw in some medium-sized kindling, which is between 30 and 50mm thick, and that's a mix of pine and some hardwood. Now the door is open, was open. Oh, now it's open again. I reopened it. Sometimes I'll open it and close it. Depends what sort of noises it's making. And now some medium-sized wood is going on. And I'm leaving that ajar for the moment. So once that starts to be very happy, and I'll shut the door. But it just depends. Day to day, it totally depends. It depends on the wood that you're burning too. If I'm burning pine, it's a bit more volatile to start off with, and the door doesn't like being closed. And every fire is going to be different. Now this fire I've had for 5 years. It smokes out the front door a lot easier than fires I've had in the past. So it's a little bit more finicky than a lot of fires. But like I say, every fire is different, and I don't know what yours is like. So that's burning pretty well now, and I'm pretty confident that there probably isn't much smoke coming out of the chimney at this moment, but I'm probably going to go outside and have a look because I made this video, so I know what's going to happen. Oh, where are my shoes? Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes? Oh, don't know. Nope, not there. No shoes there. Oh, must have found them. Okay, so there's fire. Now, there is a tiny bit of smoke coming out, but I don't believe you can see it in this video, and it was really hard for me to spot. What you could see, and I don't know what it's called, is that heat shimmer when the background, like when you look at a road on a really hot day, that sort of effect. But no, you really can't see anything there. So that's pretty much it. I'm pretty happy with the fire now. I'll probably drop the air a little bit, and I'm comfortable to sort of walk away from it and not have to worry about it smoking back at me. Yeah, this is the best way for me, I find, to light a fire, to get the maximum heat straight into your room straight away. You've got to get a big fire going, get the heat into your room before you can put larger wood on and let it just go a little bit more slowly. If you put the big wood on first, or shortly after your kindling, it's going to really struggle to heat up. It's going to smoke a lot out of your chimney, and it's just not going to put out a lot of heat. The point is to get the heat into the room, not up and out of the chimney. I see so many chimneys with just smoke bellowing out of them every day, and I'm thinking, yeah, that's well, it's not very good anyway. And it's going to get people into trouble, and it's going to get fires banned, so you just want to just learn how to cleanly do your fire so no one complains. And if no one knows you're even running a fire because there's no smoke, that's all the better as far as I'm concerned. Okay, now we have a word from our sponsor, Elizabeth Hatfield the First.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and please subscribe for more videos.